In primetime news this evening, waste of money. Nearly half of Jamaicans believe government funding for Commonwealth Post was not money well spent. Government reveals over $40 million was spent for delegation to attend, as well as fund failed bid for Commonwealth Post. And Central Kingston residents under attack. Several homes destroyed by gangsters.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Vashon Brown. There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. Now we're asking this evening, what do you make of the revelation that over $40 million was spent to support Kamina Johnson-Smith's failed bid for Commonwealth Secretary General? Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.